Hi, a very warm welcome to Dusty of Collectibles. Here today in St Albans at the big model show, indeed, Models That Move. Nice little restoration project that somebody's doing here on a factory loco. You can see the chassis here. Some pictures there with the finished product. Let's go workshop. I'll just take a little wander around these boats. The pilot ship boat is a very nice model. So this is the St Albans and District Model Engineering Society that have their display here. Lovely paintwork on that one. Oh, and let's look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Top boat in the back there. That's a nice little one.
Now what's it called? It comes in a can. Makers?
It's really beautiful.
Wow, I can't understand why.
Vintage kits for sale here.
Basically bought a tube.
Look over here. North London Society of Model Engineers.
A very novel piece of kit he's using as well.
So this is the Welland Garden Society of Model Engineers. And it says that all these plastic kits are converted to radio control.
Because it goes round the curves.
Excavator there. I do like that shit. Very nice.
There's actually a notch, so it actually denotes where how deep that would be anyway. So it's probably about a 3 mil deep channel.
So the gentleman was just showing me inside here. I did get some footage of the kit that's in progress here. It's sort of a semi-kit, been built over 7 years, and indeed it's run with a water jet. It's got reversing nozzles and directional thrust on it. Very, very good indeed. This one at the top here, this is worrying me. It looks very precarious. A lot of people leaning on here. So let me show you on the stage here this wonderful little layout they've got here. So over the back there, I don't know if you can make out, they've got an off-road course. If you can see the Land Rover making its way down and up the next ramp. Just climbing up. There it goes. And then we've got this lovely layout here. And we've got a G-scale train running round. You can see the Land Rover just turning around in the background there. Got an excavator here lifting up some bits of coal. I'll just film the train going past one. Go down to the end here. And again, this is a St Albans District Club. Sorry, St Albans Model Engineering Club. Let's come back here. Look at this. The Havilland Civics.
Better go because I've gone to. But yeah, the AC-111s, British Airways, Heathrow to
See
Charles
the
de Gaulle.
motor in the back there.
Because of the fuel differential, they used to land on very full tanks.
Well, fantastic. I'd love to get into these miniature jet engines. They sound superb, but very, very expensive by all accounts. St Albans District Model Engineering Club again, Society even. There's Gauge 1 Ruston. And Larger Bird Steel Loco, it says there. Don't say what it is. Quite appropriate for the moment. We've got it's like a 5-inch gauge, or 3.5, sorry. Is it 3.5? Yeah, 3.5-inch gauge Lion here. Beautiful model. Very, very nice. And Sterling single part complete. This is a 5-inch gauge. Apologies, I should have known that was 3.5. This is 5-inch. Let me have a look around. Beautiful, beautiful model engines here. We're going to have to push the buttons. Wow, look at this. Difficult to know where to look. We've got sort of a siding running down the room here. And just to set the scene, an oval running around inside the room here. This is my next project for my garden railway. Little wind turbine or windmill, whatever you want to call it. I need to do that. Fantastic models as well. A great idea with the Hessian as a baseball. Diner there. Look at that water tower. Puts my one to shame. If you didn't see, I scratch built one for my garden railway. There's a video on how I did that. Made it out of an old tin can. Fantastic setup. Really, really nice to see. We've got a few engines for sale over here. Got this one over the back, £375. And lots of people. couple of carriages here, trucks and carriages, £70 there, and a side dump car, £55. They're fantastic. Look at this. Out in the courtyard of the school, they've put up a pond, and they're running RC boats on there.
Would you like one of these radio control boats? I'm raffling one.
How much is a raffle? How much is it?
Complete ticket, there's a complete yacht with radio control.
Well, whatever they're running over here is certainly noisy. Let's go and have a look.
Give them a clap. Can you clap for it?
Just missed it. I'm running the jet engine there. Beautiful engine. It's a little table saw at the end there. Love the way they just sit there ticking over. Very nice. So we'll see the tank running in a little bit. Do we have miniature railway? Did have the hot air balloons here again. So, yeah, I missed those. Got some drones here. DJI drone. There's one actually flying up there. I don't think our camera will pick it up. Yeah, a little bit too small, I think, for the camera. We've got a basket there from a hot air balloon. And these are the miniature baskets. These are letting the kids drive these boats, and needless to say there's been a fair few collisions. It's like dodgems. model of the Cockerel hovercraft there. It's fantastic. We've got here a few. This is Wyndham Abbey. Obviously an N-scale layout. Moth-eaten. Okay. Very nice layout. But as with most layouts, it's a little bit temperamental on camera. This is the East Anglian Rocket Society. Some rockets on display here. And, Shabbly Road. A nice little layout, and yeah, got those Backman, I don't know what they're called, this range, the character trains running around. Here we have the Stevenage Model Boat Club. It's tall post for sale. There's a radar controlled crocodile head, hydroplane, beautiful tugboat there. Yeah, some very nice models. A torpedo launch there. Now I had my grandfather's model that he never completed, sitting in my shed for a rainy day. Exactly the same as this, same scale. Looking forward to doing that one day. Let's see what's over here. Second-hand store. Various bits and pieces here. And got a 3D printer here. Very, very elaborate bit of kit. I'm very impressed. What a fantastic idea. Multi-axis. Look at the quality of the print. Yeah, puts my printing to shame. There's some of the items that have been printed here. Absolutely fantastic. I'm amazed by that. I'll have a look at that when I get home. I bet that's expensive. Again, this is the Rocket Club. A few other bits on their stand here. Let's come down this way. This is Black Park Model Boat Club. Nice narrowboat there. Royal Fleet Auxiliary Service. Some lovely models on here. Let's just come around the front a little bit. Back there, got a rudder control submarine there, and a rudder control duck. Very novel.
Family bit to go on and I bought some raffle ticket. A raffle ticket. Oh, right, now.
Lovely model.
This
This is the Luton District Model Club. You see here the hovercraft. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but I scratch built a hovercraft, and I've got to the point of putting the fan in the bottom of it, and it does indeed float, but it's not very well balanced. Probably need to do a video on that to show how poorly executed it was, but it's good fun anyway. These are beautiful, these boats. Exquisite models. Look at that over the back there, Royal Caroline. Let me zoom in. A scratch-built steam launch. Exquisite detail on that. We have here the Hadley Page Association. I'll try not to film too much of this because I don't know if any of these photos are copyright. But yeah, indeed there's a Hadley Page Association. If you want to go and look it up, you can do. said many times that I want to build one of these trucks from Tamiya, and this has got a complete layout here. Absolutely huge, covers the whole of the hall, and you can see all the different roadways and different trucks making their way round on here. Absolutely fantastic. Just seen the tank rolling around, and indeed the Canadian police truck that just went past. Absolutely beautiful. And it must be nice to, you know, bring them all together on this sort of layout and just have the whole day running the trucks around. You've got one here that's just run over a bicycle. Oh dear. Let's just film these going past. Crazy thing is, looking around the room, there's loads of people holding RC controllers. I have no idea who's controlling which of these lorries. I mean, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them in action at the moment, and as you can see over the back here, probably another 10 or 20 parked up ready to go. So what a fantastic setup. Very impressive. And over this side is Tamiya trucking experience. So yeah, you pay £1 and get 3 minutes to drive this truck around the circuit here. These are all have-a-go robots. So it's a robotic workshop for schools. This is Drive the Yellow Train. And I'm just going to film the train on this because obviously there's some youngsters driving this. So just filming the actual engine itself. There you go. What a great idea. Look at these fantastic Meccano models.
You would or you wouldn't?
No, I wouldn't.
Oh, okay.
It's very fragile.
Is it? Okay.
In some ways.
The thing is to keep the square weight so when it unwinds, when it slides over, the fairground ride. Yeah, it's a bench slow it down because the wheels grip, you know. Do they still make Meccano? They've got all plastic everywhere.
So these are all the West London Meccano Society. Let's have a look in here. Oh, look at these.
There were 128 inside, and each cable, each cable was made of 512 seconds smaller. So it's 512 times 128 times 2.
We've got a Miami there and a nebulizer at the end there. Fantastic.
That's how many cables. holding this as it turns up. And of course, it must have been a safety mark.
Super whip.
Over 50,000. This is showing it in early to middle 1931. It was built in 1933, late 1933. Why? When they left in the middle, they lowered it and lowered it, but they did lower it. You just don't get temperature variation, do you? So all those, you hear when you first go on a bridge, you hear thumping, thumping, the wheel hard thumping at the top, and you've got these expansion joints like that.
These are the Baker building sets. I'm familiar with these. So obviously a precursor to Lego, I'm guessing. Yeah, it's a precursor to Lego, around about 1950. I certainly have a read up about it. It's not a new one to me, I haven't heard of that before. Some quite interesting models on here. Look at this beam engine. All made out of Meccano. Fantastic. A triple expansion engine here.
Look at these, I've got marbles in. Clever, isn't it?
What a fantastic show. Absolutely some beautiful models here. Didn't really know what to expect, but really well put together. In a school, lots of different rooms to explore, and as you've seen from the footage, there's all kinds of things here. Everything from trucks to tanks to steam. Fantastic. Really had a great couple of hours looking around. Anyway, if you haven't seen my other videos, please go and take a look at them, and if you can subscribe, we're really grateful. And yeah, we'll leave that one there. Thank you ever so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.